Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'll teach you one point perspective. So first of all, you should know what is perspective. One point perspective is a drawing technique which shows depth and space on a two-dimensional surface like paper, canvas, etc. Right? Now there are three type of perspectives: one point perspective, 2 point perspective, and 3 point perspective. So today we'll discuss about 1 point perspective, right? Now, 1 point perspective has one vanishing point and a horizon line, and that vanishing point is viewer's eye level. Now, where all parallel lines meet when we see from the distance. So, in 1 point perspective, there is a vanishing point, and the basic of 1 point perspective is the concept of parallel lines. So first, what we have to do is we have to make a horizontal line on a paper. Now, this is our horizon line, and it can be up or it can be low, right? So what we have to do, we have to put one mark on the center of the horizon line, and that will be our vanishing point. Now, what we have to do in 1 point perspective is every line will join this center point. Now, this is vanishing point, and have you seen the railway track? When two parallel lines meet at one single vanishing point, that is called 1 point perspective. So same we have to do in that. We have to make one cube anywhere on the paper. Now we have to join all four corners with the vanishing point. This is our up eye level. Now, second we'll draw here to show you this is low eye level. Same you have to do. You have to join all the corners with the vanishing point. Same you have to join all three corners with the vanishing point. Now I will make one cube this side, and it can be small or big or rectangular. Same you have to do, you have to join all these corners with the vanishing point. This is our up eye level, and this is our low eye level. Now this is your low eye level, and if you want to complete this cube, what will you do is you have to draw parallel lines on the both side of this cube, right? Now this line should be parallel of the front line, and the back line is parallel to the upper line. So in this form you can create the whole cube. The main point is your lines should be parallel of the main lines. Now to complete this cube you have to draw the parallel lines of the main lines, as I am doing like this. So the back lines are parallel to the main lines, right? So you can see the position of the cube, and same we will do on the upper eye level cube. Now if you are seeing the cube from upper eye level, then we'll able to see the lower and the one side of the box, the cube. Or if we are seeing it from the lower eye level, then the upper part and the side part of the cube will be visible. You can create a train with this method also, as you can do the sections of the box and create the same boxes at the back. You can create a bus with this technique, you can create a train with this technique. I have tried to teach you this one-point perspective in a very easy manner. Hope you are understanding it very easily. So this is why the perspective is important. If it is up eye level, we can see the side and the lower, and this is high eye level and this is low eye level. And if it will be low, then we will be able to see the upper part and the side part of the cube. Hope you have understood the topic explained in the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Share with your friends who are facing a problem in one-point perspective, and stay tuned for the next videos.